Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix escape the backrooms, microphone not working. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. Once in settings, you wanna go to system. Now find the sound. Now scroll down till you find the input and you want to select the right microphone. So for your case, if you're using headset, you want to take the headset microphone. If you're using something else, then you want to select that one. You can also expand this and you can make sure that your microphone is on mute. You want to unmute it. Also, you can test the microphone. So start the test, try hard, and then play the test.
Try hard.
Okay, so the test works, so the microphone works. After you've done that, you want to exit out of this. You want to go back to search, type in control panel. In control panel, you want to find the sound. If this is like set to this, you want to switch it to large icons and then find sound. Once you open sound, you want to go to recording. Now you want to find your microphone on the list. So mine is the first one. If you have a headset, it will be here. You want to right click on it, go to properties, go to levels and make sure that it's set to 100. Mute it, go to advanced. You want to untick this if it's ticked and then see if that helps the issue. If it doesn't help, you can tick it back again. And you want to make sure that you have channel 2 and at least 48,000 hertz quality. After you've done all of that and the microphone still doesn't work, what you can do is go in search, type in run. In run, you want to type in MS Info 32. After this opens, you want to look for here for baseboard product. So it's for me, it's B450 Gaming Pro. You want to copy this. You want to open a new Chrome tab and type in B4 Gaming Pro and then drivers. And you want to click the first link for you, whatever it says there, and then click upset here. Now you want to go, once you're on the manufacturer website, you want to go to support, drivers, and downloads. And now click on drivers and find here onboard audio, and then find the latest and greatest audio driver for your motherboard and download it and simply install it. After it's done downloading, you want to open it and then install it. It's the launcher. And after you install it, you want to restart your PC and then check if the microphone works properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix escape the backrooms, microphone not working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye.